Hi, I'm Danny's assistant. Thanks for stopping by the YouTube channel. Danny's main language is Spanish and he wanted to hire me to translate his videos. I invite you to subscribe and click on the notification bell to see other videos that I will be preparing from everything I have learned in the subject of embroidery. I've never done embroidery before, and I've been working non-stop at our company for 2 years. It's been intense learning about embroidery, but after the investment we must learn and look for it to work. It's up to us and not the machine. So, let's go. Today I want to show you the steps I follow in this job that I will be doing embroidery on a logo of a company that hire us, using polyester t-shirts. The brand of the tees I'll be embroidering are Augusta. Many of these mistakes that are discussed, which I personally have made, are because we are not organized at the time of starting an embroidery job. Fortunately, in the world of YouTube there are many videos, many resources like this that show you the steps and ways to fix our mistakes, and maybe this video I'm preparing will help you to organize when it comes to doing an embroidery job. First, it's important that you have the machine ready, oiled, and with the area of the bobbin clean. Take your time on every job and give the machine maintenance. If you don't know how to do this, in this video, I will not explain that topic, but the best way is to ask the company that you bought the machine, to send you the training videos and indicate the important points on your machine. After you have the machine ready, you must verify that the logo you're going to embroider is centralized, and this is achieved through the digitization software that came with your machine. Whether you have digitized it or have hired someone, always check this, because many times we forget place the logo centralized according to the hoop you are going to use. This will avoid many mistakes. Another important part of the digitizing software is to verify the organization of colors and their allocation. Never forget that my first mistake wasn't to place the colors properly, and when I started the embroidery was all wrong. I remember that it was an owl that was getting on, and the face came out of a color, the eyes out of another, nothing came out as I expected, and it was because I thought that the colors were assigned according to how I placed them on the top of the machine, and that is not so. You have to assign them in the software, and then in the machine assign each thread in each number that has been assigned in the software. Once you have these points ready, it is important that you make a sample of that logo on the machine you are going to use. This will avoid many mistakes, because you will be able to check the assigned colors, the tension of the machine, and be sure that all the job is perfect before pressing the start button on your machine. It's also important for your client to see that sample. This detail gives professionalism and trust to the customer. Organize t-shirts by size, and which are men's or women's if they are more than one polo. You should also have the hoops ready, because this will also prevent you from wasting time. I advise you, before you start to embroider, prepare all the hoops in the t-shirts that you have available, so one takes advantage of time, and time is gold. Ready to start embroidering? Let's go.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friend. no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out.
When you finish each t-shirt, check that there is no long thread, take a photo, and upload your job to your social networks. I'm sure this will bring more work for you. I hope somehow this video has helped you. Subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for my next videos. Thanks for watching, and it'll be till next time, bye.